Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 8. In my previous video, I already taught up to line 25. Today I am going to start from line 26. But before that, let me recap a little. The scene shifts to Venice, where Salarino and Salanio reveal the recent development. We learn from their conversation that Bassanio has left for Belmont. Shylock comes to know of his daughter's elopement. He pushes the Duke of Venice to get the ship searched. Antonio at the dock assures them of Lorenzo's absence. Shylock is confounded by the loss of his wealth and the elopement of his daughter. He goes about the street of Venice crying, "My daughter, oh, my ducats, oh, my daughter fled with Christian, oh, my Christian ducats, justice, the law, my ducats, and my daughter." All the boys in the city mock him for equating the loss of his daughter with ducats. Now, let's start from here. Salarino, Mary, well remembered. I reasoned with a Frenchman yesterday. Okay, what is Salarino telling? He had seen a Frenchman yesterday who told me. Now, the Frenchman told Salarino that in the narrow sea, that is the English Channel, that part the French and English. Okay, that's English Channel is between French and England. Okay, there miscarried a vessel of our country, means Venetian vessel, richly fraught, means rich with cargo goods. I thought upon Antonio when he told me and wished in silence that it were not his. Now, as soon as Salarino comes to know about the ship, okay, he at once thought of Antonio and silently wished that the ship was not his. Now, Salanio is telling, "You were best to tell Antonio what you heard, okay, what you hear. Yet do not suddenly, for it may grieve him." Okay, Salanio is advising that whatever you have heard, you tell it to Antonio, but don't break the news suddenly, since it may make Antonio sad. Now, once again, Salarino is telling, "A kinder gentleman treads not the earth." Okay, now who is this kinder gentleman? Antonio. I saw Bassanio and Antonio part. Bassanio told him he would make some speed of his return. He answered, "Do not so. Do not so. Slaver not business for my sake." Now, Salarino is telling that a gentleman kinder than Antonio does not walk upon this earth. And Salarino had seen Bassanio and Antonio part from each other. Bassanio told Antonio that he would try to come back quickly. Antonio told him not to spoil the business for his sake. He urged Bassanio to stay on in Belmont till the time was ripe or proper, and not to worry about the bond that Antonio had signed with Shylock. He advised him to be merry. But even then, his eyes were full of tears, so Antonio turned his face away with deep emotion, shook Bassanio's hand. In this way, they parted. Now, Salanio is telling, "I think he only loves the world for him. For him is for Antonio. I pray thee, let us go and find him." Again, let us go and find him means Antonio out and quicken his embarrassed heaviness with some delight or other. Salarino, do we so. With this, I am concluding this scene. In my next video, I am going to give the question pattern. Until then, goodbye.